Hey everyone, the upcoming Redmi K-Pad is shaping up to be a powerful and media-centric Android tablet, set to launch alongside the Redmi K80 Ultra in China later this month. While the official release date remains unconfirmed, detailed leaks and benchmark listings have revealed a wealth of information that points to a serious performance tablet with premium features, especially geared toward gamers, students, and entertainment-focused users. Under the hood, Redmi K-Pad is powered by the Dimensity 9400 Plus processor, the same high-end chipset found in the flagship-level K80 Ultra. Its configuration is built around a tri-cluster architecture, including one high-performance core clocked at 3.73 GHz, 3 cores at 3.3 GHz, and 4 efficiency cores running at 2.4 GHz. This arrangement ensures a smart balance between power and efficiency, promising fast app launches, smooth multitasking, and high frame rates in demanding games. Accompanied by 16 GB of RAM, the K-Pad is expected to provide desktop-class multitasking capabilities on a compact and portable form factor. Equally impressive is its graphics muscle, with the inclusion of the Mali G925 Immortalis MC12 GPU. Known for its high-end gaming and rendering capabilities, this GPU supports hardware-based ray tracing and advanced graphical fidelity. The K-Pad doesn't lag behind in display technology either. It features an 8.8-inch LCD panel with a sharp 3K resolution and a 16:10 aspect ratio, making it ideal for everything from reading and web browsing to video editing and movie watching. What really sets it apart, however, is its ultra-high 165 Hz refresh rate, which is adjustable. Running on Android 15 out of the box, the K-Pad offers the latest software features, improved privacy tools, better battery optimization, and native support for AI-powered productivity enhancements. Battery life and charging speed are also significant components of the K-Pad's offering. The tablet is backed by a sizable battery, although its exact capacity hasn't been detailed. It's confirmed to support 67-watt wired fast charging, according to certification listings in China. Design details have yet to be fully disclosed, but based on Redmi's design trends and the leaked specifications, users can expect a sleek, premium chassis, likely with a focus on portability and durability. With its combination of a compact screen, high-end hardware, and advanced features, the Redmi K-Pad is poised to compete not only in the Android tablet space, but potentially against devices like the iPad mini and high-refresh Android slates from brands like Lenovo and Xiaomi's own Pad series. In summary, the Redmi K-Pad aims to strike a compelling balance between power and entertainment. With its flagship-grade processor, high-refresh display, modern software, and fast-charging capabilities, it presents itself as a versatile device for both work and play. Whether you're a gamer looking for high frame rates, a student needing fast multitasking, or a media enthusiast wanting vibrant visuals, the K-Pad appears well-equipped to deliver across the board. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.